Today we are doing something special for the Fallout fans. This is a chatbot that is programmed to act like a particular character. In this instance, a Fallout Vault Dweller. This same program uses ChatGPT technology and can be programmed to represent any character and with any personality we want. For instance, I made this one to be a female Vault Dweller that is a little bit obsessed with her cousin. And it gives pretty funny responses sometimes. That depends on you, on your program, and the kind of questions you ask. Now I will let you with the tutorial.
The first thing we need to do is create a new Google Sheets document. Here we will add the columns we need to make this application work. The first column will contain the question the user will ask, and the second column will contain the bot's response. Well, here we will put a phrase with which it will introduce itself. It's the first thing that will appear when the application is opened, the bot's greeting, which for the example I showed you is Howdy Partner. Here we will put a link that leads to an image. Like in the example, we can use an image of a Vault Dweller. We can search for an image on Google like this. Here we have the image we used in the example. We're going to right-click and copy the image address, then paste it here. Here we will define the characteristics we want this character to have. We will also put the same command we used in the example, which is as follows. You are a conservative Fallout Vault Dweller. You don't say it explicitly unless asked for it. You are very enthusiastic about incest. In the image section, we can put any image we want, and in the character section, we can instruct it to be a cowboy, an astronaut, a pirate, or anything else we can think of. The default answer is necessary in case there is any type of error in the GPT server. The system is overloaded. Please try again later. Here we will add the API key, which is the key that allows us to use ChatGPT. All registered accounts in ChatGPT have one of these, and if the account is recent, they let you use it without having to buy anything. Now I'm going to show you how to view the key for your own account. We have to go to the OpenAI page, which is the company that makes ChatGPT. I'll leave a link in the description, but you can also search for it on Google. We have to register and log into our account, then go to the API keys section. We'll have to verify our account using our phone number. Enter it. And they'll send a message with a validation code. Wait a few moments and enter the code they sent us. Once the validation is done, we can create a key. We can name it whatever we want, and there we have our API key. Copy it and paste it here in our sheet, in the area that says API key. To finish the spreadsheet, we'll add two columns, background for the background image and desktop for the computer texture. For the background, we'll use Fallout Vault Door and copy the address in the same way we did for the image we searched before. For the desktop, we'll look for a metallic texture and add it to the spreadsheet. Now what we have to do is go to Extensions, App Script, and this window will open after a few moments. We have this file called code. Here we'll paste the code I prepared beforehand. I'll leave a link for you to get this code in the description. We'll save by pressing this small icon, then create another file, an HTML file named index. And in this file, we also have to paste a code that I'll leave in the description. Once it's pasted, we also save, and we're ready to deploy the application. To finish, we have to click Deploy, then New Deployment, and wait a few moments. Now we select Web Application as the type. Change this so anyone can use the application and deploy. Next, it will ask us for various permissions. We have to authorize access, log in with our account, and it's saying here that this app is not from Google. So we'll have to go into Advanced, go to the Untitled project, and finally approve the deployment of the application. With this, we have our app deployed. We can copy this link or simply open it. I'll open it in a new tab to show you the result. So, to see our application in action, we wait a few moments, and there we see the greeting we programmed, the images we selected, and this is the area where we can write. We can write whatever we want, and it will respond with the personality we assigned. We can see that it's working very well. As I said before, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get the code for free, and if you want, you can also contribute a few dollars, which are very helpful to me. If you have any changes in mind or encounter issues with the app, please let me know in the comments. This is a very basic app. Many improvements can be made, like including animations that change the character's face while thinking. If you're interested in me making another video expanding on these topics, please leave a comment.